a load of this. Wow. Wow, lightning's really good at drifting. You really are a genius. You really are. I'm gonna see if I can do the same thing. Failed. I can't do that. How the hell? Yeah, I don't know how to do it. Wow. Another great place to get stuck is right here. And I'm stuck. Isn't that awesome? There's nothing I can do. I'm stuck. Half of my car is in the water. Almost. Look at this. Look. Come on, where's lightning? Wow. This is unbelievable. Oh, dude! He wrecked. So worth it, man. What's up, lightning? Oh, snap! Look at this. Poor lightning. The hell? What's that smoke? I think he's coming. Yeah, he's coming. Talk about a camera glitch. Wow. Nice. Oh, you're lucky. I'm stuck again. Pretty much. Alright. Oh, dang! Nice, lightning, nice! Too bad I didn't get that on tape. Oh, I think I did get that on tape. He's drifting on the outside of the circle, I'm drifting in the center. Awesome, Lightning. Just awesome. Great. Nice. Wind drift. Dang it, why are there spin out?